Hey, hi friend, this is CMA Pradeep Dhani and welcome to the video. So guys, in this video, we will discuss about the study plan for CMA final group 3 student. So guys, this is also applicable for December 2021 students, guys. Both category of student get benefit from this. Best of my assumption, best of whichever strategy I have followed in my final, I should discuss. And you can also make the plan uh, by yourself also. But I'm just giving an example which you can follow and clear your CMA final group 3 easily. So let's discuss, guys. So guys, we have 7 days in a week, as we know that, and I am segregating the week in three parts. First one is MWF, second one is TTS, and third one is Sunday. So guys, apart from this, I am also segregating the students category into three parts. Those taking classes. Okay, guys, and those self-study, and those doing articleship or job, or you can say that key taking classes plus taking oblique self-study. Taking classes or self-study. So guys, I have categorized the student into three categories: those students who are taking classes, and those students who are doing self-study, those students who are involving in articleship as well as taking classes are either self-study. So guys, three categories. And apart from this, I have also categorized the week into three parts: MWF, TTS, and Sunday, guys. So guys, as you know that in group 3 we have four subjects. Paper number 13, which is known as corporate law. Corporate law. Paper number 14, SFM. Paper number 15, which is the favorite subject of our institute, SCM, Strategic Cost Management. Paper number 16, direct taxation. So guys, hope this study plan will bring a lot of changes in you and you will follow and clear your group 3. Apart from this, if you still have any doubt, any comment, you can comment me. I will surely help you guys. And so guys, we are starting that. So guys, those students are taking the classes. So guys, I am expecting that in MWF or TTS you are taking two classes in a day. And so guys, suppose I am saying that you are taking corporate law and SFM in MWF, and in TTS you are taking the classes of TTS, you are taking the SCM and DT. I'm expecting that you are taking classes either in online mode, pen drive class, whatever the mode, because you know that still face to face is not open. Maybe in upcoming months it will be start, but I will suggest you you should go with the online mode. It will save you a lot of time. It is my personal strategy. If I were in if I were the student, then I can choose online mode. It is 100% sure that I will go with online mode. Lot of benefit it is available. You can also understand this fact. So guys, corporate law, SCM, those students who are taking classes. Suppose you are taking in MWF corporate law and SFM classes. So guys, I am saying to you that apart from your classes, you have to take at least 3 hours, only 3 hours for remaining study. And you, apart from in the remaining time, you just enjoy, watch movies, whatever you want. No need to take pressure. Okay, guys, you have to spend 1 hour for corporate law in that particular day and 1.5 hour in for SFM. Whatever you are studying in your particular class, you just revise this. Okay, and in TTS you should 1.5 hour for sorry, and 1.5 hour DT. So guys, if you take 3 hours from out of your 24 hour apart from classes, the remaining time you just go enjoy, you whatever you want to do. You are going to attend your family function, you are watching web series, whatever, a cricket match, India versus Australia is currently going on. So you can do whatever you want, but at least if you have studied corporate law for 4 pages in a day, you just need to revise in the 4 pages. Okay guys, this is sufficient. Okay, guys, and SFM and SFM. Apart from this individual subject-wise strategy, I am come up with these strategies also. And the person who are doing self-study, so the same. And a lot of YouTube channel you can avail individual subject. You just write the subject name, and you can find lot of data is available. Classes is available. Like SFM, you want to see that the forex chapter. You just write the forex chapters. So you got lot of videos, and you get the benefit from the YouTube also. So no need to self study. You can buy the reference book. I will suggest you. I have come up with those videos also. Corporate law, you have to spend 2 hours. If you are doing self study, 2 hours. For and the strategy will remain same. You need to take two subject in a day. MWF, two subject, whatever subject according to your choice. But two subject MWF. You need not to take four subject in a day. Two subject in MWF, two subject in TTS, and Sunday you have to do four subject, because you are not taking classes or not doing anything else. But four subject. In Sunday you need to take 1 hour for one subject. So if you have four subject, so you have to spend 4 hours. But in remaining subject, you have to do the same strategy, 2 hours in the remaining subject. For SFM, 2 hours for SCM, and 2 hours for DT. Lot of data is a lot of subjects material available on YouTube. Self study is also possible. 100% most of the students are doing self study. But I suggest that if you there's no such kind of financial problem, then I can suggest you can go with the classes. You can buy the lot of teachers are providing low cost class. You should go with this class. If you have financial problem, then lot of students are doing self study and clearing their group, either inter, final, or foundation. No need to take classes for those students. Now come up with those students who are currently involving in articleship, doing job, or either taking classes or self study. So guys, you have to you can do in early morning before going to office, or after coming up with coming from office. You can spend in the morning, you can spend 1 hour. After coming from office, you can spend 1 hour. So you can do 1 hour for one subject. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. You can go with theoretical subject 1 hour in the morning, and after coming from office, you can go with the remaining one subject. Okay, guys. So need not to worry. Need not to worry. One hour is sufficient for you, but consistency you need to maintain. You are going to attend a family function, whatever you want to. Your enjoyable things. You should go with this. But I can suggest you that you have to be consistent, and consistency is the key of clearing your all CMA, and also in the remaining life also. So guys, this is the strategic plan. I am concluding the video. I have categorized the three category student. First one, the student who are taking the classes. I am expecting that he's taking two classes in one subject. So he need to spend 1.5 hour for those particular subject. And a two subject means 3 hour you need to take from of 24 hours. Okay. In the TTS also you have to spend 1.5 hour. In Sunday you have to spend 1 hour. 1 hour means 4 hour you have to spend. You are not taking classes in Sunday. Just enjoy. You just stay calm and enjoy your life. Okay, guys. And self-study student, you have to spend 2 hours each day. You can take MWF two subjects and TTS two subjects. Okay, guys. And in Sunday you have to spend 1 hour. You have to spend one hour. 4 hour is sufficient in Sunday. Job person, you can do one thing that 1 hour you have to spend in morning, and 1 hour in after coming from office, and then you can enjoy your life. Follow this rule in MWF, in MWF or TTS. And in Sunday you have to spend one hour. You can do a job person. Most of the person who is involving in articleship or job, either Saturday Sunday is off. So you have to spend more time in Saturday Sunday. You should utilize the maximum time of Saturday Sunday. So guys, and if you are going if you are traveling, job students or any other students, you can download the theoretical portion, and you can read 1 page 2 page of theoretical portion. So you can do this strategy. I followed this strategy. So guys, I am hoping that this timetable will benefit you a lot. And apart from this, for individual subject wise, I also come up with this video which is beneficial for you guys. And I'm not saying that you have to spend too much time on one subject. 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours is sufficient to clear your CMA group. But you have to spend you need to maintain consistency. I'm not saying that you have to follow this every day. You can go, you can enjoy your family function, whatever you want. You are watching movies, whatever, watching cricket match, whatever you want to do, you can do. And no need to worry, but you have to spend at least this much time and consistency. And I am also expecting that you should clear your you should clear. I'm advising that you should clear before 30th April whole syllabus, because after 30th April I will come up with the remaining 30 days strategy. So I'm hoping and expecting that, and requesting you also that you should clear before 30th April, guys. And we have a Jan 15 days, Jan, Feb, March, April 30th, we have lot of time, but you need to maintain consistency and you will clear easily your group. And best of luck, guys. And that's all in today's videos. Thank you so much, guys.